Have you ever wanted to visualize your data quickly? I'm going to show you how to do this with Notion and the new chart feature. So I have Notion already opened and I'm going to use their chat bot and I'm going to make a table. And so it prompted me, what do I want a table about? So I'm going to say, make a table on daily tasks with columns, task, routine type, and priority. So it's thinking, and you can see it created that table. And I'm going to save this in a page that I already have. And under daily tasks. So now I'm going to open up my daily tasks. You see that this table is located in there. And so what I want to do is I want to make that first row a header row. And then I'm going to turn this into a database, which allows the functionality for it to be in different views. So here's the table, but I want to visualize it in a chart. And so what I want to do next is organize it by priority. And so the best way for me to do that is in a donut, and what to show is the priority. And so you can see in these different slices, the high, medium, low of what it would visually look like. And then you can also choose different chart types. So check it out and let me know your thoughts.